God remind us that His law is not an option. Let God be your navigator, because He is the roadmap of your life. Buckle up, we ride by faith, not by sight. Every mile is mercy, every turn is testimony. Grace is the seatbelt that holds you tight. God, great. You better buckle up, hey. Obey the laws of God. Buckle up, fasten your seatbelt. Buckle up, obey the laws of God. Buckle up, fasten your seatbelt. Buckle up, obey the laws of God. Stand firm with the belt of truth. Be careful how you tread your blood. Put on your breastplate of righteousness. Nobody living at the mess. Prepare yourself for the battle. Avoid confusion with the devil. Stay on the right course. No time for overdose. Buckle up. Fasten your seatbelt. Buckle up. Obey the laws of God. Buckle up. Fasten your seatbelt. Buckle up. Obey the laws of God. Make salvation on your seatbelt. Up you stay rich in a God well. Can't praise God and not mix up. God that the truth is no corrupt. Stay focused and sober. Nobody bigger than Jehovah. This is no time for you dilly-dally. You better honor the Almighty. Buckle up. Fasten your seatbelt. You buckle up. When they say buckle up. Obey the laws of God. Buckle up. Fasten your seatbelt. You can't run God's stop sign. Your seatbelt are your protection. Have to be wise like King Solomon. If praise to the Almighty. Stand firm with the belt of truth. Be careful how you tread your road. Put on your breastplate of righteousness. The battle is in the midst. Buckle up. Be careful